Okay, some matrix multiplication here. So we're going to work out the left side. So we're going to do x times x, 3 times negative 4, and then we're going to do 1 times x plus y times negative 4. And we'll just write in the right hand side 4x over 8. This is x squared take away 12, and the bottom is x take away 4y is 4x, and that's 8. So we know that x squared take away 12 equals 4x. That's our equation A, and our equation B is x take away 4y equals 8. Now, if I substitute, if I rearrange equation B to be x equals 4y plus 8 by adding 4y to both sides, I can replace the x's in equation A with what x is for 4y plus 8. So if I put B into A, then I get 4y plus 8 squared instead of x squared. Take away 12 equals 4x. So that's 4 lots of 4y plus 8. Multiply this out. 16y squared plus 64y plus 64. Take away 12. Multiply this out. 16y plus 32. And if I bring everything onto one side, so first of all I'll just do this 64 take away 12, which is 52. Take away 16y from both sides. And then take away 32 from both sides. Right, I can divide everything here by 4. So that'll be 4y squared plus 12y plus 5 equals 0. And then I can factorise this. I know I need, these are all positive, so I'm going to have a 1 and a 5 here. I need to think of two numbers that are going to go here and here to make 4y squared. So I could have 4y and y, or 2y and 2y. 2y, if I do 2y, then I get 2y times 5, that's 10y, and 2y times 1, that's 12y. So that'll work. So if I factorise that, I can have if I solve that, 2y plus 1 could equal 0, in which case 2y would equal negative 1 and y would equal negative a half. Or 2y plus 5 equals 0, so 2y equals negative 5 and y equals negative 2.5. So we need to work out our values for x for each of these. I've gone over my answer line, but I'm almost at my answer now anyway. So put these back into this equation up here. So I get x equals 4 lots of negative a half plus 8. 4 lots of negative half is negative 2. So that's 6. Put this into that equation up here. So x equals 4 lots of negative 2.5 plus 8, so that's negative 10 plus 8 is negative 2. So here are my four solutions: half and 6 and negative 2.5 and negative 2.